Hello friends, I am Atindranath Seth. Today I am starting my Star Commerce tuition. I am a CMA and professional of 25 years of experience. I will teach you all the commerce subjects one by one very lucidly so that you can understand everything properly and pass highest marks in exams. Now, one of the main subjects of commerce is accountancy. First, I will explain you what is accountancy. What is accountancy? Accountancy is an art of presenting and maintaining books of accounts. Books of accounts, what is the meaning? Because it is every organization has to keep their expense and income in written way. This is the normal case. If we maintain the books of accounts, we'll know the what is the profit and loss in the business. From a small grocery shop to a multinational company, everybody has to keep commercial books of accounts, and this is known as the accountancy. Accountancy is a process of maintaining books of accounts. It is very interesting subjects, and you know that everybody has to know the profit and loss of the business organization. Now I will explain you the accountancy in details, types of accountancy, and how the in our Indian environment, the accountancy environment, how is regulated. First, I will explain you the types of accountancy. Generally, two types of accountancy we know in our day-to-day life or business organization. First is financial accountancy. What is financial accountancy? Every organization is booking their incomes and expenses generally related to business. This is known as a whole financial accountancy. Another accountancy is there, it is known as cost accountancy. Cost accountancy is also a part of accountancy. It is related to manufacturing accounts, all production related accounts, everything what is the profitability of each product, it is recorded in cost accountancy. And in India, how it is regulated? It is regulated by the Government of India, Ministry of Finance, and another is that two institutes are there, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India and Institute of Cost Accountants of India. They are both the member of the International Accounting Standard Boards. First, I will explain to you. Financial accountancy is regulated by the chartered accountants or CA. Financial accountancy is regulated by chartered accountants or CA. Institute of Chartered Accountants of India are formulating the financial accounting standards according to which all business organizations in India are keeping their books of accounts. Another is cost accountancy. This is regulated by cost management accountants. Cost management accountants, or in short we known as CMA. This cost accountant management also has their accounting standard boards of their institute. They are formulating the cost accounting standards, and according to that all organizations are doing maintaining cost accounting records, and all the organizations are keeping their books of accounts for production related accounts. Another points I have to mention you, that audit points. Now I will tell in shortly the statutory regulations of audit in accountancy related to accountancy field. There are so many audits available in India. Now I am telling only related to accountancy fields. First is financial audit. This is done by chartered accountants, and another is cost audit done by only cost management accountants. And one of the main regulations of India is the Companies Act. Companies Act 2013. This previously this was Companies Act 1956. Now it has been revised in 2013. In this Companies Act, all accounting abbreviations, all accounting formats, all accounting rules and regulations are available, even in the profit and loss formats, which we have to be prepared later in your later classes, and balance sheet also. I will explain these two terms in my next classes. We have to be mentioned. It has been mentioned in this Companies Act. This is the main act regulating our accountancy professions. And I told you the two institutes are there, the Chartered Accountant Institute and Cost and Management Accountant Institutes. Both are regulating under the supervision of Ministry of Company Affairs of India. This is Government of India organizations. And these two institutes are the member of the International Accounting Standard Boards. No other institutes, universities are the authority of representing India in these international accounting standard boards. So they are the authorized persons to prepare the accounting standards, which we have to be consider. Later in next classes, I will explain the what is accounting standards, what is other types of audits one by one. First, again we'll start in details now one by one. The accountancy. What is accountancy? Now I will explain you the golden rules of accountancy. This is the main basis of accountancy. If you understand these rules of accountancy properly, in every class from the starting of 10th standard, 9th standard to the CA final, you will marks good marks in this paper. This is the main basis of accountancy, golden rules of accountancy. Even the renowned author of Shukla Grewal, who has written a book, he told that he is still studying the golden rules of accountancy. This I have mentioned to encourage you that to understand this is the golden rules of accountancy. What is golden rules of accountancy? In profit and loss account of organization, there will be some debit expenses, there will be some credit incomes, and by that we will calculate the profit and loss. If the expense is more than income, there will be loss. If the expense is less than income, then it is the profit. Opposite side, if income is more than expense, there is profit. Like that, here debit and credit. What is debit and credit? In real accounts, debit will be what comes in the credit what goes out. In the personal account, you have to remember that what will be the debit, the receiver will be the debit for personal account, and for credit the giver means who is giving the amount, that is to be credit in the personal account. And another account is that nominal account. What will be the debit in nominal account? All expense and losses. All expense means we can purchase raw material, we can give the rent, we can pay the salary of the organizational people. It will be the all expense and losses. Maybe some financial losses due to financial gains and financial fluctuation of foreign currency. That losses we have to put in the nominal accounts, that will be the debit. And in the nominal accounts, what will be the credit? All income and gains. This is the golden rules of accountancy. You have to memorize this in short form. This is the short form. One by one, I will explain the three accounts. What will be the three accounts? First, again, I am repeating the what will be the real account debit, what comes in. What will be the credit in real account, what goes out. What will be the debit in personal account, the receiver, and what will be the credit in personal account, the giver, and what will be the debit in nominal account, that is at all expense and losses, and what will be the credit in nominal account, all income and gains. You please note it down and keep it in the first page of your notebook. That is the main thing of accountancy. Now I will tell you what is the real account, what is the personal account, and what is the nominal account. You please remember these 3 points so that your accountancy journey will be very easy and you can understand the subjects very quickly. First one is the real account. What is real accounts? That is assets, liabilities. These asset liabilities, one important characteristics is that these assets and liabilities accounts are carries their balances to the next year. For example, 31st March 2005, 25 one year will close, 1st April another year will start. So this current maybe assets, that balance will carry forward. What is the closing balance will be the opening balance of the next year. What is assets, what is liabilities, I will explain you in the next class. And another is personal account. What is personal account? This is bank account. Every company, every organization is their bank account. And cash account. Cash account, they are paying some amount, small amount in cashes. These two are personal accounts. And another is nominal account. What is this nominal accounts? These are all expenses like salary payment, rent payment, raw material expense, transport payments, all expenses, and all revenues. Whatever they are selling, they are earning the revenues. They are sell bills against that, they are earning the revenues. This is known as revenues. So all the sales expense are in nominal accounts. This is the first part, real account, personal account, nominal account. You have to memorize this and you can learn the accountancy in very proper way. And in the next class, I will explain you that what is these terms: assets, liabilities, bank, cash, expense, revenue, and that profit and loss, how to prepare profit and loss balance sheet. I will explain you in the next class. So for this today, please learn this and memorize this. Again, next class will meet you for the next course. Thank you.